1.6 trillion. He is trying to sell fear to us so that he can come into government through another handshake. I want to tell you here today that that is not possible, because that is giving into blackmail. If you read the penal code, Cap 63, blackmail is an offense. It is a crime. So sitting with somebody who is blackmailing you is partaking the crime. So those church leaders who are telling us to sit with that man so that he can cool down are asking us to commit a crime. President William and I are not willing to commit a crime. So there will be no handshake. There will be no arrangement. We ask him to take his rightful role as a leader of opposition and hold us to account and oversight us and criticize us for good governance, because that is what the Constitution provides. And that is why we had allowed these demonstrations to go on, because the Constitution allows the right to picket, to demonstrate, and all that.